Hi guys, welcome to Man United Gang, United's #1 fan channel. Now, Manchester United are close to signing both Raphael Varane and Kieran Trippier, and that is what I want to talk about in this video. But before I do that, please remember to support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also like, comment and share the video, and most of all, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you will know if a new content is out. But for now, let us look at Raphael Varane, Kieran Trippier and Manchester United. So by now we know that Manchester United are looking at strengthening their squad, and this is seen after the completion of signing of Jadon Sancho from Borussia Dortmund. Just recently, Jadon Sancho was able to go through his medical at Manchester United, and therefore he's announcing, that is his official announcing as a player for Manchester United is imminent, and therefore we are waiting to see what will happen on that day. But of course, if something happens, then be assured I'll be updating you guys on the same. But in relation to Raphael Varane and Kieran Trippier, we know that Manchester United are in need of another centre-back, and therefore they have identified Raphael Varane, and this summer they have been looking at him. And also, they have been looking at Kieran Trippier. We know that Kieran Trippier is Atletico Madrid's right back, and therefore Manchester United wants to sign both players. So, according to reports, it is being said that the deals are just about to be completed, and therefore the announcement of the two deals is likely to be done next week, and therefore we are waiting to see what will happen. But to me, I think this is good news to Manchester United fans, because you can imagine if we add Raphael Varane and Kieran Trippier to the current squad that we have, then I know Manchester United is going to be a great team come next season. But we will see what will happen if the two deals will go through. But if they go through, then well and good for Manchester United Football Club. So we know that Raphael Varane has already agreed on personal terms with Manchester United. That is according to reports, and therefore the deal is said to be a 5-year deal. But still, according to reports, no official announcement has been made yet. But of course, as time goes by, I know everything will come out very clearly. But as per now, Raphael Varane has agreed on personal terms with Manchester United, and therefore that is a positive move to this Raphael Varane's situation. But of course, we know that Manchester United will have to agree with Real Madrid on the transfer fee. But according to reports, again, it is being said that Manchester United are willing to buy Raphael Varane for 60 million euros. And for Trippier, they are said to be able to cash on him something like about 21 million euros. So you see that Manchester United are very determined this time round to sign people, and therefore it means that come next season they are serious about winning the title. And also we know that they are also looking at the situation of Champions League, because last season Manchester United was knocked out of the Champions League on the group stages, and that was not good to Manchester United Football Club. That is not Manchester United. Manchester United, it was unacceptable being knocked out in the group stages of the Champions League, and therefore next season they are very determined to strengthen the squad, and going into that Champions League, they are focusing to move even further as compared to last season. And also in the Premier League, remember Manchester United finished second, and therefore they are looking at next season where they would like to finish even first and win the title. Remember, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is still waiting for his first trophy at Manchester United, and therefore I think this time around they are looking at next season, and that is why they are trying to sign players right now. And we also know that if Manchester United is going to sign both Kieran Trippier and Rafael Varane, then adding their Jadon Sancho, they will have spent this summer, they will have spent around 165 million euros. And you can see that is very unusual to Manchester United spending that amount. So that means that this rebuild project, it has to show that it is progressing, rather than try to convince ourselves that Manchester United are making progress with nothing to show off. And therefore they are willing to sign players this summer. And that's why according to reports, Manchester United, they are trying to sign Rafael Varane and Kieran Trippier. Remember, Kieran Trippier is a right back, and when he comes in, he's going to help Aaron Wan-Bissaka in that right back position. Remember, if Aaron Wan-Bissaka gets injured right now, then Manchester United Football Club is in trouble. And therefore, if Kieran Trippier will come in, then you can see that we'll have two players in that position, and therefore, if Aaron Wan-Bissaka gets injured, then you see Kieran Trippier can come in and do a great job. Then in that centre-back position, we also know that we have problems, and therefore the partnership between Lindelof and Maguire is not that good, and that's why Manchester United are looking at Rafael Varane, who can come in and bring leadership in that backline. And also, you can see this is a player that has a winning mentality, and therefore will come to Manchester United and bring that winning mentality, bring that trophy mentality to the club, and therefore players will be motivated to play well. But we will see what will happen when Rafael Varane will come to Manchester United. But what I wanted you guys to know is that Manchester United are close to signing Rafael Varane and Kieran Trippier, and the deals are set to be announced come next week. So we'll be waiting to see what will happen next week. Then if there's any story that will come out, any positive news, any good news, be assured I'll be updating you guys on what is going on. But what I want you guys to tell me is what do you think about the two deals? Please write in the comment section, then we can be able to chat together and see if it is good for Manchester United. So that's all about Kieran Trippier and Rafael Varane. So I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also like, comment and share the video. And most of all, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you will know if a new content is out. But for now, bye bye.